Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here to announce the four nominees for the Nature Challenge. I will put them all four in a poll on my community page of my channel. We have 18 videos. It's perfect. I'm very happy with it. It's probably just because of me. Uh, no, I think it's because of me and the challenge, the Nature Challenge. We all love nature, so. Uh, um, but it's very hard to pick four out of 18 videos. Um, I had to exclude two people, but I will mention them honorably. Sue B and the Maltese Falcon Stealth Camper. They didn't really do a stealth camp, so but I'm very happy that they participated. Uh, that's the most important, to go out and to enjoy. Um, but they didn't do a stealth camp, so they cannot be on the list for nominees. Um, and we have two participants who didn't finish their stealth camp, Joost and the Shadow Camper, because of the weather. It's November, so it's not very human friendly all the time. But I kept their names because, yeah, they did a stealth camp, they only didn't finish it. I also included the Aussie 12. They had a really good video. I really enjoyed it. Even though it premiered one day too late, I don't bother it because it's really a video into the challenge. See, there's the nature, our puppy. Nature is calling. Anyway, they did the nature challenge really good, and I really enjoyed the video. So they earned a place on this table of honor. Um, so I will show you what I did, and then I'll explain how I can select four nominees. So as you can see, we have papers with all the names of the channels, and if you look closely, Steve the Transit Camper is also a bit nuts. I put nuts on every paper. You see all the names. Tom and the Ted, Joost. And Dick in the Dirt. So we have all of them. It is already filming. And I want the nature to pick the four nominees. You can hear the birds already. That little creature also likes nuts. We will see who will take the first four nuts. Yeah, the four nuts that are picked first by any creature are the four nominees, and that will be listed in the poll that's on my community tab right now. At the moment that this video is premiering, let the camera roll and see what the outcome will be.
Many unbearable hours later.
Camera still rolling. Birds have been everywhere in the garden except on this bench. So I guess no nominees. Everybody's a winner. So I will try something different, not the birds, but I will do a trick with my dog and see how he will fix it. Okay, but we have a little delay on the announcement, but yeah, when you're watching this, it's already past the delay, so blah 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 blah. Yeah, so let's take a look. Let's take a look at the score at the moment. See. Nobody's nut has been picked yet.
Several long days later.
Oh, hello everybody. We put candies on the papers for all the participants and see if Yuna, our puppy, which four names she will select first. Every paper has a name on it and candy for the dog. So I will go to the other side of the kitchen and release her, and let's see what she will do. Let's release her from the middle. Huh? Wat gaat hij doen? Ja, zoeken pakken. Even zoeken. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these four she picked first. Congrats to the 4 nominees, and of course congrats to everybody who participated. The vote will be online on my community page, so cast your vote of your favorite. Yuna loved them all, she ate everything. So, okay, I will keep the votes open until Wednesday. So you have time until this Wednesday to vote.